Open to YouTube Studio, then click on the plus between Shorts and Subscriptions. Click on Upload a Video. Choose your video to be uploaded. This is a video, not a short, so click on Next. Click on Visibility. To publish on same day, click Public. To publish later, click Schedule. Click on the date you want to publish. Choose the time to publish. Now you can see the date and time. Click the back arrow. Now visibility shows Scheduled. Now click on Title. Enter your title. Add hashtags. Helps people find your video. Maximum 100 characters for the title. When done, click the back arrow. Click Add Description. First time, then write on Word document and copy. Then paste it here. Or copy description from another video. Then paste it as your description. For audience, choose Not Meant for Kids. Click Add to Playlist. Save to the correct playlist, then click Done. Click on Tags, Shorts, etc. Just follow the screen, add all given there for each heading. Click the back arrow. Click Save.
Yeah.